Hello guys, Joy here. I'm going to show you how to make a vegetable quinoa soup. This soup is so packed with veggies. It's incredibly wholesome, super nourishing. It just feels so good when you eat this soup because you know you're eating so much nutrition and your cells will be smiling with joy. Before we get to this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the little bell so you always get a notification when I have a new video. Now, because the temperatures are cooling down a bit here in Toronto, Canada, where I live, I love my vegetables, so I'm kind of like making a transition to eat more warming vegetables, and a big bowl of vegetable soup is perfect. So I have packed this soup with carrots and zucchini and broccoli and onions, and honestly, like any vegetable you want to throw in there, just toss it in there. Now get your big soup pot and you're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil, or you could use coconut oil. Bring the heat up to medium, and now you're gonna saute your onions and your garlic first till they get nice and fragrant and smell so delicious. Add in some of your dried spices, and then you wanna cook your harder vegetables first because they take longer to cook. So I like to do my carrots and my celery first, in with the onions and the garlic, because it takes a little bit longer to cook those. And you're doing all this sauteing first because it just helps to bring all those flavors out, and it makes the vegetables so much more flavorful than just kind of like putting all your vegetables in with the stock. So at this point, once you've got your carrots and your celery cooking nicely, add in your stock. You can use a vegetable stock. If you want to keep this recipe totally vegan, then use that, or you could use a chicken stock. Now, as you can see, my stock is a bit of a frozen lump, but that's okay. In this big soup pot, it's gonna melt super quick. Then I'm gonna add some canned tomatoes. Oh, I just love the taste of canned tomatoes, but of course you can use fresh as well. If you avoid canned foods, you can chop up a bunch of tomatoes too. I do have some softer vegetables in there like zucchini and broccoli, but you wanna add those more towards the end because they do cook really quickly. And then you're gonna add your quinoa. So I'm using white quinoa. Tricolor quinoa could work well here too. So you put in the quinoa, and then you're gonna reduce the temperature of your soup to just like a low simmer. Put the lid on, make sure it's not too hot that it's gonna boil over, and the quinoa will expand and cook in about 15 minutes, and then you have the most amazing soup. But you don't wanna forget to add some fresh herbs. I've already put dried herbs and spices in there, but then I like to add fresh as well from my garden because it's still growing. So I add some thyme and some oregano and some parsley. And then when I actually go to serve myself and my family a nice bowl of soup, I definitely sprinkle some more fresh herbs on top as well. And this soup smells good. It feels good when you eat it. It's like a warm hug, and it's so good for you to get in all that nutrition, all those vitamins, all those minerals, all of those phytonutrients, all of that fiber is so good for your digestive health, for your energy. What this soup tastes really good with are my sweet potato savory biscuits. This recipe goes like, it's like a match made in heaven with this soup. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you always know when I've released a new video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe, if you're excited to try it. Any questions or comments, post below, and the full recipe as well is linked in the description box. So thanks for watching, everyone. Happy soup making. Bye.